Weatherproof. A rugged, wall-mount, metal NEMA3R enclosure with lockable door withstands the elements for outdoor use while protecting wiring and settings against tampering. Universal use. With multiple configuration possibilities, the double-pole, single-throw switch supports 120 to 277 VAC and up to 40 A. Up to 2120 VAC device can be connected with options for single or dual load control. Energy monitoring. Remotely track watts and kilowatt-hours when connected to a compatible Z-Wave hub that supports energy monitoring. Operation modes. An integrated toggle switch allows the choice of manual or remote operation with on, off and Z-Wave modes. Indicator LEDs are visible on the front of the housing to display power status without opening the watertight door. Easy access wiring. Clearly numbered screw terminals provide fast, secure connections and are protected from accidental contact by a clear plastic guard. Top reviews from the United States. Great for pool pumps. Excellent pool pump switch. I've got mine programmed with Samsung SmartThings Hub and it works great. I also really like that the pump can be manually switched without having to open the case, just push the big gray button. There are no programming instructions provided, so I had to figure that out on my own. I used the smart lighting app that is included with the Samsung SmartThings Hub. To program, go to Automation, then Smart Apps, tap Add a Smart App, then tap Light Switches, then tap Smart Lights and follow the instructions. I've posted a couple pictures that show the settings I've used. This switch was also helpful in determining what has causing huge electric bills in our house. Surprisingly, it's not the pool pumps. The energy monitoring feature of this switch is mostly a novelty but interesting nonetheless. I bought initially because I thought it'd be a fun novelty to be able to turn the pump on with Alexa, but it's really much more useful than that. I can control and/or reprogram the runtime of the pump from anywhere. Perfect example is that I recently had to run the pump for 24 hours after adding chemicals. I manually started the pump on a Thursday evening and went out of town the following morning but forgot to turn off the timer, so the pump shut off, as scheduled, at noon Friday, 6 hours shy of 24 hours. I was able to turn the pump back on 200 miles away and complete the 24-hour cycle. I never would have been able to do this without this switch.